Okay, Language Explorer. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb, buy. To spend money to get something. So spend money to get something. Yeah, like here. Here, buying something. Yeah. I buy apples. She is buying an apple. How cool is that? Yeah, apple. Very good. Very good. So I want to buy it. I want to buy it. I want to buy more. I want to buy more. She will buy more next time. They have bought enough. They have bought enough. No more. Yeah. She buys it. She buys it. She buys it easily. Yeah, or she buys it now, perhaps. She bought it for you. She bought it for you. How cool is that? Yeah. So we could then say I buy, you buy, they buy. Very nice. I buy, you buy, they buy. She buys, he buys, they buy, it buys. Yeah, how cool is that? So I buy tea to drink. How cool is that? You always buy you always buy coffee. You always buy coffee. Yeah. They want to buy more. They want to buy less next time. Yeah. They want to buy. They buy it from me. Who do they buy it from? They buy it from me. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? And she buys, so she buys melons. She buys more anything. Cabbages, carrots, broccoli, vegetables. She wants to buy more. She buys more vegetables. She wants to buy more. He only buys fruit. He buys more water. He needs to buy more water. Yeah. Yeah, the S goes from buys to needs. Yeah. How cool is that? And it buys the food. It wants me to buy it food. The dog, for example, wants me to buy it food. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So then he bought it from you yesterday. What did you buy yesterday? I bought this yesterday. See, I bought this book yesterday. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? She's buying it now. What are you buying now? I'm not buying anything. I'm not buying anything. I'm teaching, not buying. I'm teaching, not buying. Okay? I will buy it tomorrow. What are you going to buy there? What will you buy next week? What will you buy next week? What am I buying now? What do you want to buy tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow. How cool is that? Yeah. Well, tomorrow, nothing. I won't be buying anything tomorrow. Anything tomorrow. Yeah, I won't be buying anything tomorrow. No. No. I will be exercising, working, and working. Yeah, recording. Yeah, recording. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So, buy, to spend money to get something. Money and to get something. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use buy in a sentence? Can you write that sentence in the comments below and like the video and subscribe to the channel? More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.